First of all, prepare the slide with the AccuSmear device. Take 2 slides and clean them properly with tissue paper. Then place the slide in the AccuSmear device. Set the pipette to 5 microliter and take 5 microliter of blood to make a thin smear. Take the EDTA sample and mix it properly. After mixing the sample well, take 5 microliter of blood and place exactly in the holes of AccuSmear device. Press the spider part and rotate the knob in the reverse direction to make the smear. After making the smear, take some sanitizer on tissue paper and clean the spreader thoroughly to avoid contamination. Write the patient name and age on the slide. Now let's move on to the AccuRapid stainer. The device can hold up to the 10 slides, so 10 slides can be stained at the same time. The AccuSmear is designed to ensure that you can complete the field staining without any mess. For remote areas, fill the stain into the staining rack. Place the slide one by one into the slide holder. Dip the slide in methanol and wait for the slide to dry. Then place the slide in eosine stain for 15 seconds. Set the alarm accordingly and rinse with distilled water. Next, place the slide in methylene blue for 45 seconds. Set the clock and after 45 seconds, wash the slide with distilled water. Wipe the back part of the slide with tissue paper. This process will allow you to prepare 10 slides at once. Let's talk about the automatic microscope made by Accuster Technologies. This is the coarse adjustment and this one is the fine adjustment. The light source is the illumination light and this is called the condenser. You can adjust the condenser according to the slide you are viewing. Change the lens 10x, 40x, 100x depending on the magnification you need. Place the slide onto the stage of the microscope and adjust the slide by rotating the coarse adjustment. Next, connect the microscope with Bluetooth. To do this, find the Bluetooth number on the back of the microscope. After pairing it with your phone, open the microscope app on your mobile device. It will ask for password and the password is 1234. After entering the password, open the application and enter the patient detail. Set the lens accordingly and the stage will automatically adjust. The microscope will capture the images of the field. Once the data is synced, the images will upload into the portal where the pathologist can see into the remote areas easily.